Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a fine Monday morning. It's Monday morning. Yeah. I hope all is well with you and your family. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. The weather is so good, so good. Good. Yeah. But I'm just having a beautiful morning out here. I just watered my garden and everybody is really happy. So I'm happy too. But listen, guys, today I want to share with you just the outcome of this little experiment I did with DE, Diatomaceous Earth, and find out what it do, and no matter what it do or don't do, I'm gonna move those bricks today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna move those bricks. But yeah, I'm gonna share that with you all, and other things I'm gonna do around here in my garden too. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yes. So, yesterday morning, I put some of this diatomaceous earth in these bricks here. This one here, here, and there. Oh, I did over here too. So let me get a shovel, cause that don't that don't tell a story. Let's get in here and see what's going on. I see them now. I see ants. I see ants in there. See them? You see them? Yeah, there's ants in there. Let's see. You may not see them in there, but I see them. There's ants in there. Maybe, like a days with time, they're kill them. It kill them. A massive kill. It's the organic way of killing, I guess. Just, killing me softly every day, just killing, slowly because, yeah, they're in there. They're in there, but they are not as active as they were. But, oh boy. You see that? There's ants. Maybe with time, not going, y'all. No, they are not going. That's ants in there. Look at that. You see that? No. That's a whole lot of ants. Yeah. DE didn't do it. You didn't do it. All right, y'all. I wanted to try to set this where you all could see me really good, but you can't. But you see me, right? So it's um, it's a break. I'm time. It's time for a break. But while I'm having this break, I want to share a little story with you all. It's something that happened a couple of days ago, really. Jody, Jada, and I went to the eye doctor. So I had to get my, my eyes checked every year, And Jada and Jody also, we all had appointments that day. So Jody had it set up where everybody had the same day. So we went to the eye doctor. Now the doctor there, he's an elderly, very elderly man. I want to say maybe he's in his late 70s, early to mid 80s, somewhere in that range. I'm not really sure. When they went to, do my paperwork, they said to me that she asked me, had I consulted another, eye doctor? And I told her no, I had not. And she said, well, some doctor had a hold on my records. So she said, well, it's very easily to fix. We'll just call them, but we'll have to give you an appointment for tomorrow. So Jody said, no, we'll do it today. So the lady says, the receptionist, she said, but it'll be $80 for you to I'm sorry, wait a minute. She said it would be about $80 for you, for your mom to get her exam and so on. So Jody said, okay, that's fine, I'll pay it. So I went in. Jada wanted to go in the back with me, and I let her come with me. And so the doctor and I was just talking, right? And I had on my shirt, my New Orleans gardener shirt. And he says, oh, you like gardening? I'm like, yeah. And so he said, maybe that's why you're so slim. I don't know about all that, I say, but I try to eat good. So he went on with the exam, and then he said, well, what do you grow in your garden? So I started to tell him, and before I could get it out, Jada was answering, peppers and tomatoes and onions and garlic, she was answering everything, right? So I let her, So he was like, oh my God, that sounds so amazing. He says, sounds so amazing. He says, listen, I haven't had fresh garden vegetables in so many years. He said, I cannot even remember how long ago it's been that I had fresh from the garden vegetables. So as he went on with his exam, I told him, I said, well, listen, when I get a harvest, my first harvest, I'm going to prepare you a basket, and I'm going to fill it up with all the vegetables that is ready in my garden, and I'm going to bring you a basket full of vegetables, right? And he said, will you do that? I'm like, yes, I will. yes, no problem. So he said, and you know what I'm going to do? I said, no, what are you going to do? He said, I'm going to take it. So I said, okay. So anyway, when we got ready to leave, got all my framework and all that other kind of stuff done. So my daughter goes up to the receptionist to pay for my exam. And the receptionist told her, there is no charge. And my daughter said, wait, now my mom, she said, I know. She said, but orders from the doctor is no charge. I'm like, will you look at God? So sometimes, just being kind, just could give you a blessing that you didn't even know was showing up. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that with you all. Let me eat the rest of my orange and get back to work. All right, guys. Okay. Here we go. Got my little bed. One for the ants. You can have them. You can have them. But all right, I got it together. So now I'm gonna drop the purple corn right here. Right here. So let me get this soil all worked up and fizz it up there. And I'm gonna bring out my little tool I have. Yeah, I'm gonna share my tool. I shared it last year, so let's do it again. Do it again. All right. All right, guys. It's that time of day. It's time for me to go in. Yeah. So, I've had a great time with you all. It's still very early, but yeah, I'm going in for get me a little rest. Maybe I come back in another hour or two. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I got a lot done. Still a lot need to be done, but you know, every day just take a little bit. I'll get it done. Yeah. But I hope and pray you all have a beautiful, beautiful Monday. Later, y'all.